Back to daytime, everyone. Our next guest is a busy mom, and she's also a food blogger. She's got the Steamy Kitchen food blog. She's got two cookbooks, the Steamy Kitchen cookbook. Welcome back to daytime, everyone. Our next guest is a busy mom. Welcome back to daytime, everyone. Our next guest is a busy mom, and she's also a food blogger. She's got the Steamy Kitchen food blog. She's got two cookbooks, the Steamy Kitchen cookbook and the Steamy Kitchen Healthy Asian Favorites. She is a longtime friend of Daytime's, Jaden Hare. Great to see you again.
I miss you guys so much, and I miss coming to the studio, but hey, this is just as good being from Las Vegas and going over the internet to speak to you guys.
It doesn't have to be just as good. It can be good enough for now.
Good enough.
Let's not say it's as good as eating the food.
Jaden, I didn't even know you moved to Las Vegas. Where have I been?
It's been probably about 5 years, and I moved from Tampa area to Las Vegas to be closer to my parents. I have a brother here, so it's really nice to be close to family and have Sunday family meals together every single week.
Oh, I love that. Well, you've got something really delicious to show us right now, because I mean, it's all about eating at home now, and you want to keep everybody happy and healthy. So you've got Buddha bowls, right?
Yes, these are Steamy Kitchen Buddha bowls. Actually, I call it a Steamy Kitchen Buddha bowl bar because it looks like a beautiful spread, and it's like a salad bar. Basically, what a Buddha bowl is you start with a bowl, and you start with grains or just all vegetables, a lean protein, whatever vegetables that you want. Pack the bowl with as many vegetables as you want. Then we have a sauce, and then we have some crunchy toppings. And the reason why it's called a Buddha bowl is because it's piled high with so much healthy food. It resembles a Buddha's belly. So that's why it's called a Buddha bowl.
And then you also resemble a Buddha belly after you've eaten that bowl?
That's true. But it's healthy, so not really.
Okay, good. Okay, well, what have we got to put in our bowls? What have you got in front of you there?
We're going to do one for each of you. So we're going to have, at first I was going to say, let's do one and we'll do a little cooperation. But Danny, I never cooked with you in the kitchen. So we're going to do your own Buddha bowl, and we'll do one for Cindy as well.
Danny, what do you want?
Yeah. Oh, so I've got white rice, and I've got like a red rice with quinoa, so it's a little bit healthier.
Right, so white rice, yeah.
You want white rice, okay. So the first step is grain. You can choose any type of grain that you want. You can do all quinoa, you can do all rice, brown rice. There's something called a black lotus rice that's really delicious. Or if you're on a keto diet, then just fill it with vegetables. Like you can do raw kale, you can do lettuce, really just whatever you want.
Yeah.
So you're doing white rice, right?
Yes, because there's already enough vegetables. I don't know if I can go quinoa too. Like, I feel like I'm already doing a little bit.
A little bit too healthy for you?
Yes, I still love white rice, but I acknowledge that quinoa is more protein packed and it's better for you, less carbs.
Yeah. We'll let Cindy do the healthy one. How's that?
Sounds good to me. So what protein do you want on your white rice, Danny?
Right now, I have leftover chicken breasts. What's great about Buddha bowls is you can use up your leftovers in the refrigerator. So this is rotisserie chicken. I didn't even cook this. And actually, most of the ingredients are just store-bought or something that's just, you take it out of the bag, wash it, and it's ready to go. So is chicken okay with you, Danny?
Absolutely.
I'm not even giving you a choice. This is going to be what's in your bowl.
I made a Buddha bowl last night and didn't know it. I'm realizing.
Oh, you did? What was in it?
I had rice, chicken. It was more Greek though, so it was like spinach, quinoa, rice, chicken, chickpeas, tzatziki sauce. So like a little more Greek.
Suspiciously healthy though, Danny.
It wasn't like me. Someone else made it. So
he is such an athlete.
Well, we could go with another Greek theme if you want. The next step is I have some cooked vegetables. So I have some roasted asparagus, roasted peppers right here, roasted carrots. And another great thing about Buddha bowls is that you can put all your vegetables on a sheet pan, stick it in the oven, and 20 minutes later, you have enough vegetables for the whole week. So you really just have to cook once.
All right, so throw a couple of veggies in there because I want to get to the sauce. I want to know what's giving me.
You like it all?
Yeah, why not?
Okay, so I'm going to give you some asparagus and some roasted peppers and maybe some carrots. And another tip is if you don't mind having frozen vegetables in your freezer, these came from a store in the freezer section, and all I had to do was defrost them. So it just makes it so easy to feed your family healthy food. And it's super fun because when you have picky kids that only like this and that, it's just easy to have a spread out like this, and they can choose their own adventure.
Okay, so Danny's almost got his whole bowl made.
Let's put some more vegetables in. How about some?
We've got 1 minute left. So.
1 minute, okay.
Let's get to the crunchy and the sauces.
How's that?
Yeah.
And we'll add some more vegetables. We'll top it off with some microgreens on top. And since you did Greek last night, let's do Japanese. I have some teriyaki sauce. And this was also, you can make this from scratch or you can prepare it yourself. Just drizzle it on top. And then crunchy toppings. So I've got some sesame sticks that are super crunchy. And some almonds. And these are mochi. They're made from rice. They look like croutons. So this is your Buddha bowl. And I'm sorry, Cindy, we kind of ran out of time and we didn't get to do yours.
It was personal. I was trying to take as much time as possible.
Yeah, right? Well, I'll quickly make yours while we wrap up.
Oh, actually, to tell you the truth, Jade, Cindy just lost her internet. That's why she has a frozen face. Cindy, make a face if you want tuna on your bowl. She doesn't want anything. She's tired.
Oh, I just thought it was Botox.
This is 2020. no Botox. She's all natural beauty.
I'm teasing you. I'm teasing you, Cindy.
Steamy Kitchen. Thank you so much. Cindy,
thank you so much.
Thank you, Jaden. Good to see you.
Thank you, Cindy.
We'll be right back.
Talk to you guys later.
Yes.